Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to post in private story on Snapchat. First thing you do is open up your Snapchat app. The next thing you do is tap on the chat icon at the bottom. Then you tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner. Then you scroll down. Remember, I want to post in private story, so you tap on new story, new private story, choose who wants to see us, tap on create story. So next thing, I'm going to rename the story and then tap on save. But that's not all. Now you tap on the camera icon next to it, choose the memory you want to save, and then you can do any of these: erase, magic, retouch, and the rest of them. And then let's go back. Then you tap on post at the bottom there, and that's it. It is sending, added.